sounds like a damn monster truck. Alright guys, well, I finally decided to pick up the camera and start YouTubing. This is my first time talking behind a microphone, so please excuse me guys. Just trying to get used to everything, but hopefully I make some good content for you guys. At the end of the day, just have fun with it and just see where it goes. But without further ado, this is my 2017 BMW 440i. I've had the car for about 3 years now, and we're just going to talk about the mods that I've done to the car so far. I have the M Performance carbon front lip. It's one of my favorite mods that I've done to the car. It just makes it look super aggressive, and it kind of makes it a little lower, I guess. And then moving on to the side of the car, I have PSM style side skirts. They're made for like the F30, or excuse me, F80, F82, M3, M4, but they fit pretty well on the F32 in my opinion. So yeah, for all you F32 owners that want to run PSM side skirts, it's possible. And then moving to the rear of the car, a lot of carbon as well too. These are actually made for the M4, but they fit, again, they fit pretty well on the F32 as well. And then I have diffuser and spoiler. And then my all-time favorite wheels, TE37s of course. They're actually custom powder coated from Bulletproof Coating, and they did a really good job. It looks pretty good. And then we're gonna move on to under the hood. Under the hood, it's pretty simple. I don't have much done to it, just an MST intake. I don't really have like any like engine designs or anything like that. I am running a catless downpipe, and I'm in California, so it's kind of a hassle having to take it off and do smogs and all that, but it's worth it in my opinion. And then tuning wise, I'm running boot mode on the car, just a stage 2 for now. I do want to run ethanol in the future. I have a TU pump on the car already, but still no ethanol. In California, ethanol is pretty much everywhere, but I guess I'm just lazy to do all that, but I'll figure it out, and then we're gonna run ethanol eventually. Interior wise, it's the peanut butter interior they call it. I kind of like it. A lot of people, they're kind of iffy about it, but I would prefer like white or red seats actually, but I don't know, it looks kind of red if you close your eyes a little bit. Let you guys have a little walkthrough of my car and what I have done to it. I want to talk about what I want to get in the future, hopefully. I do want to upgrade the headlights. They're the pre-LCI headlights, but I've been seeing some sick LCI headlights in the markets. And we're gonna try to run those in the future, and then maybe get some different wheels when I get bored of these wheels. I do switch up the wheels a lot. I have work wheels previously on the car. I'll put a picture right here, but that's what it looked like on the old setup. I do like the TE37s though. I picked like a random parking spot, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's a beautiful day out, but yeah, everyone's driving by looking at me, but I don't know, I guess it kind of just pushes me to just ignore it and just talk in front of the camera. I'll get used to it though. But yeah, without further ado guys, we're just gonna start the car up and we're gonna go for a little drive. I almost forgot to make an outro, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try my best to get better at this, make some good content for you guys, and yeah, like I said earlier in the video, just have fun with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.